Hello everyone, welcome. Today topic is movie recommendation using machine learning. Before going to start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. We have developed our project as IPython notebook. This is our project. Movie recommendation using machine learning. These are our imported libraries. YS time, Mac module, NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and these warnings. It will ignore the red basics warnings. So here we import, we load our files, udata, and here we have created 4 classes. Here we have displayed our top 5 rows of our file. So here we read movie ID titles file. This is the using header function we display just 5 rows. So here we merge movie titles and item ID. So these libraries are used to visualization. Here we group by title and ratings, titles and ratings. So these are the count of ratings. Star Wars has 584 ratings. So here we group by title and ratings percentage. So in this cell we group by title, ratings and count of. So title, rating percentage, and then number of ratings. So this is the pivot table. In this table we gives user ID as index, title as columns, ratings as values. So these are the NaN means none values. Means there is no values, even negative. So here we sort of our number of ratings, and then ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false means it will display high values to low values. So just header function we assign 10 to the header function, so it will it has displayed just 10 rows. And then for an example we take Star Wars and layer to identify the correlations with other movies. So user ID and then ratings. So we find we have found correlations of Star Wars with other movies. So for an example, till there was you movie correlated 0.87% correlated to Star Wars, like this. So same things, ascending is equal to false means it will show the correlations high value to low value. So number of ratings. So we ignore less than 100 ratings because that's our very low ratings. So ascending is equal to false. See, Star Wars has 584 and Empire Strikes Back 368 number of ratings, and 0.70% correlated to Star Wars. The same things what we have done for Star Wars, here we have done with the layer movies. So these are the correlation to the layer movies and the total number of countings, ratings countings. So here we have found the len of. So here we get rating frequency. So here we have plotted frequency of all movies, plot frequency. So here we filter the data. Same things, we find the shape of movies. So again we plot rating frequency of all movies. So here we filter data. These are the active users. So see, one user ID 1 is active, user ID 2 is active, user ID 3, 4 inactive. So this is our model, KNN model. In this cell we have training our KNN models with our filtered values. So we already know this is a pivot table. We change none values to 0. So here we have defining our models, find the nearest matches, so top similar movies. So here we have we ask an output from the user, so Titanic. So enter the number of recommendation. So for an example, I am a user, I am giving Titanic as input movie and I need 5 movies correlated to Titanic. So see, you have input movie Titanic and the number of recommendations. So APT Pupil, Return of the Jedi, Star Wars, Good Will Hunting, Contact. These are the correlated to Titanic, which means the Titanic movie like user also likes APT Pupil like that, and the same thing reviews or ratings are similar to Titanic. So 5 recommendations. So this is our project. Our model name is KNN, and thanks for watching.